I'm very proud to be joined today by the members of the International Criminal Court Alliance to declare with all of you July 17th to be World Day for International Justice in Los Angeles. In 1998, a groundbreaking idea turned into reality when the global community came together to form the first permanent international court. In the aftermath of the Rwandan and Bosnian genocide, the global community came together and declared that there had been far too many instances of genocide, war crimes, and other atrocities and crimes against humanity. And there was no response from the international community. The International Criminal Court was established to help end the kind of impunity that we saw far too much of throughout the 20th century. For the perpetrators of the most serious crimes against humanity. The International Criminal Court stands as a beacon of hope when national governments fail to protect their own citizens. Since its establishment, the ICC has worked to protect civilians from grave crimes and increase their access to justice. The ICC continues to be instrumental in creating a global discussion on justice in the wake of human rights violations. We all know that Los Angeles has been a place of refuge and sanctuary for so many people throughout the world who've escaped from genocide and atrocities in their own home countries. So many nationalities that make their home here in Los Angeles now.
I'm sorry, Mr. Krekorian. Can we ask the sidebar conversations? This is a little bit of an echo chamber. This is a really important presentation.
Thank you. I appreciate
that,
Mr. President.
Have everybody's attention, please, colleagues. And if we can ask your staff to keep it down as well, really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We all know that Los Angeles is home to so many different groups that have come from elsewhere in the world, escaping the most unspeakable kinds of atrocities. So it's especially appropriate that in this city we stand in support of the International Criminal Court, and that's what the International Criminal Court Alliance has been doing here for so many years. I'm very pleased that our mayor initiated this annual council recognition of the ICC Alliance about a decade ago, and I'm proud to be able to maintain that tradition that he began. So today we're joined by the members of the Alliance, and I'd like to ask Shirin Ershadi, the co-chair of the ICC Alliance, to say a few words. Please help me welcome her.
Since 2002, much progress has been achieved in the establishment of the court, which is located in The Hague, the Netherlands. 139 countries have signed the Treaty of the International Criminal Court, and 122 countries have ratified it. This means that 122 countries have incorporated the ICC treaty into their domestic laws and have agreed to enforce it. At the present time, the court has received 1 Security Council and 3 state referrals, and is in the process of trying individuals who have been indicted for commission of crimes within the jurisdiction of the court. The court is also investigating a number of other cases to determine whether it has jurisdiction to open a case on these cases or not. At this time, the court is a fully functional judicial institution. Conviction and sentencing the perpetrators of crimes by the ICC gives hopes to victims of such crimes and sends a strong signal to all perpetrators of serious crimes who now know that they will be pursued and prosecuted. The United States of America has not signed the treaty and/or ratified it. The International Criminal Court Alliance in Los Angeles advocates accession to the treaty by the United States and hopes that by educating the public, the United States will one day join the court. Thank you very much for your time and support.
Thank you very much, Ms. Ershadi, and members, as we join together and declare July 17th to be World Day for International Justice, we look forward to that day when the United States joins with the rest of the world in supporting the International Criminal Court. Thank you very much, members, and I'd like, on behalf of all members, I'd like to present this resolution declaring July 17th to be World Day for International Justice.